Hi guys, welcome to TechTube channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can show games on Discord. So in this case, go to Discord first, log into your Discord account. Then you have to go to this user settings, scroll down till you find this one, activity settings. Under the activity settings, you will find this activity privacy. But not if you don't find here, then you have to go registered games. You'll find it here, all of your games, but I did not edit any games yet. That's why it is not here. But if you want to add games, go here, add it, and name your game, and it will automatically detect your system, and you can see the game here. Okay, so all of your games will be here if you add it. So guys, this is how you can add games or see games in uh, Discord. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.